Hi, I'd like to share with you how to use some basic functions of the Blackboard Collaborate. So here, Blackboard, click the course. As you can see, I have already put Blackboard Collaborate link here. Otherwise, go to Tools, Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. So Sessions. Here is basically the course room here. It's always here. Otherwise, if you want to use a different one, you can click Create Session. For example, today I created a different session just for today's class. It's not an official class, so that's it. To invite the students coming in. So one of the problems I encountered is that two students actually enter this room instead of here. So I asked them to get back into this room. All right. Just click here to enter your classroom, virtual classroom. As you can see, you can choose a bunch of things here whatever you want to share with the students. Actually, one of the students used telephone to join us in the room. Otherwise, all the students they can just click join course room. Once they click here, they're in the room. There are a bunch of different things. For example, here, this corner, you want to start to record. You want to record everything. You can just click here. Then you can record all of your teaching. It'll be automatically saved to Blackboard. All right. So here's you click status. You can change things. Switch on your audio here. Switch on your video here. You can see yourself. Hello. Now you can share video with your students. Once you click that, your students will see you, right? You see a lot of students once they join here, they shared it. Here, if they want to ask a question, you can ask them to raise your hand, then lower your hand. Here's the type you want to use all the time. Open Collaborate panel. So you click here. You can see chat. You can chat with your entire class. You can see the members here. You can choose to mute a speaker, right? While other people are speaking. Oh, one people speaking, you can mute others. That's easier. You can share content. This is the most important tab here. As you can see, I want to share blank whiteboard. I click here. You have all those choices. You can point, you can write here, then you can type, you can draw squares and lines, or you can clear it. Once you're done, or every time you want to switch back to home screen, you click stop sharing, then I'm done, stop sharing, right? The second one is more important, share, not actually, third one actually. All right, so share screen. If you want the student to see what's going on your screen, you can just click share screen. Hold on. Again, you choose it or double click, you see share, right? Then the students should see your screen. I mean, it doesn't look good because that's your own screen, but the students, like see here, I want the students to see the syllabus. Now they can see it. All right, once you're done, so you can click stop sharing, and that's it. All gone. Now you can come back to it, right? Again, you click here, you can share application window, Chrome tab. Oh, by the way, ask students to use Google Chrome or Firefox as browser. They cannot use Safari or IE. They're not working. So, cancel it. This is the most important part, guys. Share files, right? You click here. As you can see, you can add files, but you have to add image, PowerPoint, or PDF files. Not all the formats. For example, no Word document. So you can get on here, upload everything. I've already uploaded the two files here, right? Like just for example, you click here, you say I want to share. That's when I'm teaching Buddhism and Chinese martial art. So you can click here, then the students can see the screen. Again, if you want to write something on the screen, if you want to type something, point something, feel free to do so. Otherwise, you can go one screen, just keep going it, right? Once you're done, you can just click stop sharing. So the same thing, if I want to share, some of the texts. So you can click, you can share with the students. Once you're done, stop sharing, then come back to the home screen, right? That's it. That's basically the most important thing. You can play around with pooling or breakout groups. I have not done much yet. So here, my settings. Again, other issues we encountered today is that some students couldn't figure out how to use speaker or use the camera. So here, you can set up your camera and microphone here. You can help them, tell them where it is. Normally, it should automatically detect it. Look at here by the computer. Otherwise, you can see I need help and just play around. Eventually, it'll be work out, right? So again, this is the panel you want to use most. Then I'm done teaching. Everything's okay. I want to leave the room. Then you can just shut it down. Then that's it. Or maybe you can just click here to see, okay, leave the session. Then that's it, right? All right. Now I'm done with that. So you can see here, actually, if you want to see what's a report, click the three dots. You can view reports, like what's going on, how many students. Like for example, today I have 6 attendees, right? A small class. Not everyone's here anyway, so you can see when they were here. It's just very generic and small report. All right. Then that's it.